The French failed to establish Shakti movement in the Deccan because right answer is option A. The British army was powerful. Who was known as Sannyasi of Simla? Right answer is option D. A.O. Hume. Friends, the person known as the Sannyasi of Simla is A.O. Hume. He played a significant role in the Indian independence movement and is often referred to as the father of the Indian National Congress. Hume's association with Simla stems from his tenure as a civil servant in the British administration, where he served as the Commissioner of Simla. Which of the following institutions regulates cooperative funds in India? Right answer is option D. SEBI. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India is the regulatory board of securities and finance in India. It was established on 12 April 1988 and received statutory recognition on 30 January 1992 under the SEBI Act 1992. SEBI is headquartered in the business district of Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. In which one of the following states are the major oil fields located? Right answer is option C. Assam. Friends, Assam is the oldest oil producing state in India and has major oil fields of India located. The Digway field, oldest field, the Naharkatia field, the Moran Hugrijan field, Rudrasagar, Galeki, Hugrijan, Angui and Lakwa fields. Every email account has a storage area which is called. Right answer is option A. Mailbox. The phenomenon of obtaining pure water from the sea water is. Right answer is option D. Desalination. Berinak tea of which state has been granted GI tag? Right answer is option B. Uttarakhand. What is the pH value of pure water? Right answer is option C. 7. Study of insects is called as blank. Right answer is option D. Entomology. Friends, entomology is a branch of zoology dealing with the scientific study of insects. Friends, petrology means study of rocks. Anthology means study of flowers. Dermatology means study of skin. Hepatology study of liver. Oncology study of cancer. Ornithology study of birds. And pomology study of fruits. The famous Battle of Vandivas in 1760 was fought by the British against whom? Right answer is option C. The French. Friends, in 1760, the Battle of Vandivas was a battle in India between the British and French. The Battle of Vandivas was part of the Third Carnatic War fought between the French and British colonial empires. The British army was led by Sir Eyre Coote and the French army was commanded by Comte de Lally. The war concluded with the signing of the Treaty of Paris in 1763, by which treaty was the Third Carnatic War ended. Right answer is option A. By the Treaty of Paris, with which Misal Raj Ranjit Singh related. Right answer is option D. Sukar Chakya. Friends, the Sukar Chakya missile was founded by Charhat Singh, and after his demise, his widow Mai Desan ruled with vigor for her young son Mahan Singh. His son Ranjit Singh established his control over numerous missile territories to establish a unified Sikh Raj in Punjab. The Sukarchakia's last Misaldar means commander of the missile was Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Which among the following regulates the stock market in India? Right answer is option B, SEBI. Friends, SEBI stands for the Securities and Exchange Board of India. It was set up under the SEBI Act 1992. The current chairman of SEBI is Madhavi Puri Buch. Who among the following Governor General was impeached by the British Parliament? Right answer is option B, Warren Hastings. Friends, Warren Hastings was impeached in England for acts committed as Governor General of India. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Bengal. Warren Hastings ended the dual system of government in 1772 AD. Calcutta and Madras universities were established by Warren Hastings in 1781 AD. The President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of right answer is option C, elected members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislature. Friends, in India, the president is elected according to the proportional representation system by the single transferable vote system, and the voting in such elections is secret. Which of the motions is passed in the parliament to remove the president of India? Right answer is option A, impeachment motion. Friends, an impeachment motion is passed in the parliament to remove the president of India. The impeachment is a quasi-judicial procedure. Article 61 of the Indian Constitution deals with the process of impeachment of the president. The only ground for the impeachment of the president is violation of the Constitution. The Great Barrier Reef is located in the right answer is option B, Pacific Ocean. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef in the world. It is located in the Pacific Ocean along the Queensland coast of the Australian continent. Oracle is a right answer is option D, database management system. Oracle database is a relational database management system. Oracle is one of the largest software companies in the world, founded in 1977 under the name Software Corporation. Oracle was originally developed by Lawrence Ellison, means Larry Ellison, and his two friends and his former co-worker in 1977. Eskimos are indigenous peoples who have traditionally inhabited to. Right answer is option B, Alaska.